So I'm going to play for you a video that's gone 2.7 million views and it's completely generated with AI.
Who uses a steam cleaner? Mate, I'll be honest, probably anyone who isn't a tramp, because when you clean normally, there is no way to get dirt out of these awkward parts of your shower if you don't have one. That is actually why I was influenced to buy one in the first place, and I swear I don't think I could live without it anymore. It just allows you to get into all of these little places that you can't normally reach when you're cleaning with a sponge. You even get 12 different attachments with this one, so you can use it on literally everything. I use it on my oven, the doors, the walls, the windows, my shower, the rest of the bathroom. Like, it's so versatile. And I was actually really happy. I thought I got a good deal on it for 50 quid. But annoyingly, it's on a massive flash sale on TikTok for some reason at the minute, and you're getting free shipping as well. So if there is any left in stock, I'll try to link them down there for you.
So the reason this has gotten so many views is because, well, it has such powerful scenes in it, right? Look at scenes like this where it just cleans dirt. Look at scenes like this where it's cleaning the oven. Now, in your e-commerce ads, you're going to need powerful scenes so that even if you're running paid ads or if you're running organic traffic, you can get millions of views organically. And so today I'm going to show you how I do that step by step. So I do this with the help of an AI employee, and this AI employee is completely for free. So all you have to do is go to shopfounds.net and go to the AI vault. I'll link it down below, and then go ahead and click Access AI Employee. When you go ahead and do that, you're going to be taken to a Google Drive link with a copy and paste option right here. You're going to want to copy this entire piece of text. It's 8 pages long. But what happens when you copy it is this is like a step-by-step instruction for any AI to follow, and you're going to see how cool this is in a second. So once we copy this 8-page document, what I want you to do next is go to claude.ai. Then you're going to want to paste it in and hit enter. Now, what's basically ended up happening is it's going to turn Claude into an AI employee. If for any reason it's confused, just say run the prompt and it'll start running this prompt. Now, essentially what's happened is transform Claude into an AI employee. If you don't know what Claude is, it's basically a ChatGPT alternative. And if you don't know what an AI employee is, basically what we've done is we've put in very advanced workflows and very advanced image and video generation workflows into one piece of text. When you copy the text and you paste it into Claude, what ends up happening is this now becomes an AI employee that's going to guide your scene generation step by step. Just to show you how powerful this is, I just gave it a random product from Amazon, and this is the scene that it was able to generate. I mean, look at this one, super realistic. It's cleaning dirt and grime, and this is going to get you tons and tons of views. I was able to generate all of these amazing images and videos, and again, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So once you paste in this prompt, what it's going to ask you is for your product description and product images. All you have to do is listen to it. So I'm going to paste in this description of what my product is. And then what I'm going to do is I've downloaded all of these images already. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload them into Claude. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to start asking some questions to be able to give us like the best scenes, right? So I'm just going to be like, you do the thinking for me. That's all I'm going to say. You do the thinking for me. Now, you could basically answer these questions if you wanted more control, or if you don't want to, you can just have Claude do the thinking for you. And boom, it's working through all of the questions that it asked, right? And now what it's going to do is it's going to come up with a 7-scene shot plan. Okay, now what is a 7-scene shot plan? Essentially, it's going to come up with 7 different use cases for the product, right? For me, I used it on tile, right? I used it on like the bathtub, right? Look at this. I used it on the bathtub, right? Then I used it here on the shower, right? Here on the under the bathroom, right? Here on the floor of the kitchen. So what it's going to do is it's going to come up with 7 different scenes where this product would work amazingly well. And again, this AI employee is built so that it can work on any different product. The first thing that's going to do is think through all the different scenes that you would use this particular product for. Once the 7-scene shot plan is ready and you're happy with what it looks like, what you're going to do is hit approve. Okay, so just type approve in. Okay, and what it's going to do now is it's going to generate the image prompt. Okay, now remember, all AI video generation is what's the image, right? So what we're going to always do is we're going to generate this image first, right? So in this example, I've generated this image, and what we're going to do is turn this image into a video, right? So we've taken this image and we've turned it into a video. So that's all what AI video generation is. So the first thing our AI employee is going to do is come up with an what our image needs to look like, and then what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and help us animate the image, right? So over here, it's going to come up with the image prompt first. Now, it's also going to tell us what reference image to use. So what's a reference image, okay? Now, AI tools need a reference image to be able to produce the image that we want. And what we use as a reference image most often is the image of our product. So I'm going to run this. I'm going to show you how to do this exactly. To be able to create images and videos, you're going to actually need an AI tool that allows you and helps you to create these beautiful images and videos. Now, the tool of choice for me has been, for the longest time, topview.ai. I will leave them linked down in the description below. And by using my link, not only do you support TopView, but you also support my channel. So a huge, huge thank you if you guys do end up using my link. What I'd recommend is sign up and just get a few credits to test it out. And this is fairly cheap compared to other platforms. I've been using them for the longest time, and I would only recommend stuff that I use. So again, when you're inside a top view, what you're going to want to do is go to image and hit image edit. Okay. Once you're inside image edit, upload an image of your product. In fact, the AI employee is so smart, it's going to tell you which image to use. Okay. It's telling us use image 6, the flat lay showing all the attachments and both handle lengths. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to search for that image, which is the flat lay, right? With all the attachments. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and quickly paste in this particular prompt. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to paste in this prompt. Okay. And now I'm going to leave it 9:16. 9:16 is that TikTok view. And then I'm going to make the resolution 4K. The next thing I'm going to do is make sure I'm working with 4 images at a time. The reason that you're going to want to do this is AI doesn't get it right all the time, right? Over here, for example, it has a weird, setting of both these images, but sometimes it gets it right perfectly, like this. All of these images are amazing, and I could use all of them for one video. So typically I like to work with 4 images at a time. I'm just going to go ahead and hit generate. And now when I do that, top view started to work on the images. Okay, it's generating all of these images now. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to wait for these images to finish, and then we're going to see if that generation was done right. Now, in this situation, look at this, right? All 4 images designed so well, and I especially love this one, right? So all I'm going to do now is go ahead and generate the video. To do that, go back to your AI employee and hit approve if it worked well. By the way, AI isn't perfect, right? So if it didn't work well, I would have uploaded the image back to the AI employee, like, hey, your first scene didn't work well. Can you help me fix it? And then it would do that, okay? But in this case, it was perfect, so we don't need to do anything. Now, the next thing that we need to do is go ahead and give it some motion, right? So that's why we hit approve. And the next thing the AI employee does is go ahead and give us the motion prompt. So we're going to copy this motion prompt in. We're going to go back to top view. We're going to select the image that we like. We're going to hit generate video. We're going to go here, go to Kling V3. And what Kling V3 essentially is, guys, is just like it's like a software that allows you to turn images into videos. Okay. And there's multiple different softwares like that. I just have had a really good experience with Kling. It is not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive. So it's right in the middle, and it uses 5 credits per generation. There are some video models that use less and some video models that use more. It's up to you. Experiment, right? Experiment, find the one that you like. I just use Kling V3, and now I'm going to hit generate. Now, the video generation takes a little bit more time than the image generation. The image generation is 1 minute 2. The video generation is 5 to 6. Right? It's saying 8, but it doesn't normally use 8 minutes. And that's how much time it takes. So a few minutes for the image and a few minutes for the video, and you have incredible videos to be made. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video generation when it's done. All right, guys, so our video is now done. Let's have a look at it. That is super realistic, man. I mean, that is just freaking insanely realistic. And, the prompt hasn't let me down. The AI employee hasn't let me down. It really does an incredible job. Let me play some of the clips for you. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is for you to create incredible scenes, right? Once you have the first video done, you just hit next and repeat the same pattern, right? It's going to give you the image prompt to generate first, right? And then the next thing that it's going to do is once you generate the image, hit approved, and then go ahead and get the video. And then you keep going, and then you have 7 great videos, and then you put it together in the format that you like, post it on social media, go viral for your products, and start making sales. Again, this is my gift to you. The AI Employee is free for a limited time, so be sure to get it from the AI Vault. And all I ask in return is to like the video and subscribe to the channel. By the way, for those of you guys that want access to the entire library of AI employees that do a ton more cool stuff, it is in the description down below. You can just get full access to the entire AI vault with all of the different AI employees that help you do crazy things. Each AI employee not only comes with the access, but also a step-by-step training so you can follow it along. This army of AI employees will help transform the way that you create images and videos. And again, it's linked down below. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Appreciate each and every one of you. And there's also a link to a free e-commerce workshop down below for those of you guys that want to learn how to find winning products, build cool funnels and websites, and then launch with AI-powered ads. So that workshop is linked down below, and it's completely for free. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.